Good morning students. Saira will continue with a new lesson, that is formulas and functions. In that we are going to learn basic formulas, compound formulas and text formulas. What is formulas and functions? Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. It establishes a relationship between two or more cells. A formula is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators and parentheses. You can perform simple as well as complex calculations using functions. Always the formulas must begin with equal to symbol, that is followed by cell reference and operators. Now, we will learn basic formulas. What do you mean by basic formulas? Basic formulas involves only one operators in a formula. For example, calculate the sum of the numbers. So, here we are using only one operators, and the compound operators in the compound formulas are used when you need more than one operator. Calculate the simple interest. When you are calculating simple interest, we are using multiplication and division. Same thing here, simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100, right. So, we are using there more than two operators. In text formulas, you can perform addition on characters and string data type except for addition. Okay, so, other operations like subtraction, multiplication, divisions etc., you are not allowed in the text, right. So, you can use and symbol for adding the characters. Now, we will learn difference between the functions and formulas. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell, but the functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. Yes children, we will learn with the help of Excel, we will learn now basic, compound and text function. So, we will start with Excel. Can you see here simple here tables, that is month, sales. Here I have written Jan, Feb, March, April, May. That means here we have to calculate the sales, right. So, here operator, you can see here basic formulas involves one operator in a formula. What do you mean by operator? So, operator is plus, minus, multiplication. Okay. So, that is known as operator. If you are using B3 plus B4, that means the plus is here what? Operator. Okay. So, operators are symbols used in a formula to define a relationship between two or more cell references or between two or more values. Now, here see here I am doing calculating, right, sum. We are finding the sum, that is a sales amount. So, B4, that is cell address, plus B5 plus B6 plus B7. Here the plus is what? Operator, right, plus, minus, division, that is a forward slash, right. So, that is known as operator. Here you are using, see the formula bar, here we are using only one operator, that is plus, but because we are calculating the sum, right, adding the sales between Jan, Feb, right. Now, compound operators. What do you mean by compound operator? Here we are using to solve the, here we are using more than two expression, right. So, compound formula, how will you do compound formula? Simple interest, for example, simple interest. Can you see principal amount, rate of interest, time and simple interest. Simple interest is one way that interest can be calculated on a loan or investment. Okay. So, here can you see that here the P is what? Being the principal, and you can see rate, R is a rate of interest. Can you see the formula here? Suppose, okay, for principal amount we have taken the 5,000 rupees and the rate of interest is 10, and the time, the year of interest 1 year, and now we are going to calculate the interest how. So, here in the B5, right. So, can you see B5, the 5,000 is in which cell? B5, the B is column and the 5 is row number. This you have learnt into B6, right. Okay. And yes, into again B7, right, and the forward slash, that is a divide sign, we are going to calculate interest, right. So, it is divided by 100. Yes. So, P, what is the formula? Simple interest I is equal to P into R into T divided upon 100, right. So, I means simple interest. Okay, can you see here for 1 year it is what, how it is showing now? 500 rupees. Can you see in the formula bar B5 into B6 into B7 upon, that is divided by 100, right. So, this is, you can hear in the formula bar, here we are using two operators, which one? Into and division sign, right. So, this is known as compound formula. This is known as compound formula. The formulas are used when you need more than one operators. So, we are using, these are the two operators here, into and division slash. Yes children, now you understood what is the difference between basic and compound operators. Yes children, now the next we will learn the text formulas. What do you mean by text formulas? You can use the symbol. Okay. So, you want to add the text. Here we are not using the, we are adding the numbers. We are using that, here we are calculating what? Adding text. Okay. Adding text. Adding text means what? So, joining the text. So, here using, when you are joining the text, we are using the AND operator. Can you see a symbol that is AND? Okay. For example, I have written my school. Okay. So, I want to join the text or string, right. So, what I will do now? So, I will take the next cell. Okay. The formula starts with equal to sign, all of you know this. So, equal to sign. Okay. Where is the where you have written A4. So, A4, and not, we are not using here plus sign, we are using for, this is for text, right. So, we are using AND operator. So, thus can you see this AND symbol? So, use and next cell is what? B4. Okay, can you see here without spacing it is coming my school. Okay, one more example I will see functions, and the C5 I have written formula. In between, in the B cell I have not written anything, B column I have not written anything. So, B, A is the functions and this in the C formula. I want to add the text. So, what I will do now? In the next cell, okay, where you want to add. So, in the next cell, okay, you can add it by using equal to sign and function, and here which operator, which symbol, and the C5, right, and press enter key, you will get functions and formulas. So, this way, okay. So, addition on string data type means what? Placing one value after another. Is it clear children? Okay. Addition on string type data means placing one value after another. Okay. Now, let us learn what is the difference between formula and functions. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell, and the functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. Yes children, now here see with the help of this table how we are calculating the sum by using functions, because the functions are inbuilt functions, right. So, we are using a functions, okay, is equal to sum. The same thing we can use with the formula also. How will you use the formula? Equal to sign, I will take the first cell, that is C6 plus, right, C6 plus, then next cell, okay, in the plus, again I am using what? Plus sign, right. So, that is what? Formula, right. So, this is formula. You can use here functions or formula. So, now here you can see, suppose you want to, okay, see the today's date. So, I will use the function equal to today, right, equal to today. So, that means that functions are inbuilt functions. You can see the today's date, isn't it, right. So, that is what functions, that is what? That is functions, because that is inbuilt functions. Okay. So, now again equal to now. The now function will equal to now and the 2 bracket. So, now function will show you the date and time, date and time. Okay. So, the formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell, but the functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. The sum is what? Functions, right. The sum we have done, that is a function, is a inbuilt functions. So, here we are using the one cell C6 plus, so that is what? Formula, right. So, same thing when you are using a percentage, we have used what? We have calculated the percentage, we have used a formula, right. But the now is what? Function. Today is what? Yes, children. In this session, we have learned what is formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. It establishes the relation between 2 or more cells. In that, we have learned basic formulas. When basic formula involves only one operator, and compound formulas are used when you need more than one operators, right. That time we are using a compound operator, and we have learned using text formulas. You can combine the text for using and, that is symbol and operator. You can add the text, okay, with the help of symbol and or using and operator. So, you have learned the plus, minus, forward slash, into, these are all operators, right, the symbol operators. And we have learned what is the difference between formula and function. Formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. Functions are predefined formula and are already available in Excel. For example, equal to now, equal to today. So, date and date and time want to display, you are using that function. So, yes children, we will stop this session. Sai Ram.